Many people are wanting to make a face mask during this COVID pandemic, but are finding that there's no elastic to be had. Well, here's an easy way you can make your own from a pair of pantyhose. First of all, cut off the toes. Then stack them up just for ease of cutting. And you want to cut the pieces about 1.25 inches big. And you will do this all the way up the leg. And you just take the piece and you pull it. And you get a nice stretchy little ring. I find that the pieces near the toe are often tighter, so I tend to set those aside and make sure that I use them together on the same face mask so that the ears have the same amount of stretch. So once you've stretched them well, just snip, and there you have it. Good as elastic. I find that a piece about 6 inches long is just about the right size for the pleated face masks that everybody is wearing these days. So you just, there you go, enough for 2 masks just like that. And the added advantage is you can color coordinate with your fabrics, and they're comfortable and soft around your ears. Happy sewing!